Hello everybody, welcome to Year 1 Phonics. This today is a very tricky sound. It's when the letter E makes the E sound. So it doesn't make an E, makes an E sound. Now there are some really useful words to start with. So those words are E, he, e, me, w-e, we, b-e, be, sh-e, she. And they get tricky now, these words. B-e-l-o-ng, belong. D-e-l-a, delay. That means when you leave something, you delay it. D-e-l-i-t, delight. R-e-m-i-nd, remind. Now if you look there, that's where the letter I makes the I sound. We've looked at those before. So remind, remind. R-e-m-a-n, remain, which means stay. R-e-p-ort, report. D-e-l-i-v-er, deliver. R-e-p-eat, repeat. R-e-k-ord, record. S-e-k-r-et, secret. And the last one, R-e-m-o-t, remote. Notice there we've got the split vowel O sound as well. Remote. Now they are really tricky words, so make sure that you have looked already at all of the other videos and make sure you can read all of those words before you try sounding out some of these trickier words. Now if you want an extra challenge, turn off the sound, watch the video again and read those words. Ask a grown-up if they can say some of them and you can have a go at spelling them. And our sentence for today is: she belongs to a secret gang. That sounds fun. She belongs to a secret gang. So have fun with that. Don't forget when you're writing your sentence, finger spaces, capital letters, full stops, and go and have a look on our home learning page for some extra games and activities to do with the letter E making the E sound. So bye for now.